If you struggle because you feel stuck in this pentatonic box shape and you want to break out and say something more musical, today's lesson is for you. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Alec Lehrman. I've played on Grammy-nominated recordings, and I've taught thousands of guitar students like yourself the lesson I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to share with you 3 licks that you can use right away so that you can sound better instantly. We're going to listen to how they sound used in a track, and then we're going to go over each one of them broken down, and you can follow along with the tabs. Let's hear how these licks sound in context. Now, these 3 licks are great for gospel, great for blues, and they're really particularly amazing for adding short little fills if you are a singer and want to throw something in, or if you're just struggling to find something creative and musical to say without having to learn a million scales, these licks will be for you. So the first thing you need to understand is that you have to know how to play a bar chord, and this song is in the key of G major. All 3 licks are going to be glued and anchored to this bar chord, okay? So the first lick, and you can follow along the tab, looks and sounds like this. Okay, and notice it's really based off of this G bar chord, okay? So you can just find that lick based on the chord. Okay. And in a bit, I'm going to show you how to move all 3 of these licks all over the neck so that you never feel stuck. Okay, so that is lick number 1. Lick number 2 looks and sounds like this. You're going to pre-bend. So you're going to have this note bent up half a step, and you're not going to play anything. You're going to have it pre-bent, and you're going to pick the note, have it fall down, and then resolve. Okay. That lick is super soulful, and you can use it in a lot of gospel and blues settings. If you want to dive deeper into gospel guitar, there is a course waiting for you. It has all licks plus common chord progressions so that you can excel at gospel guitar. There are backing tracks, a large PDF, all the footage is in 4K, and there's a forum where you can ask questions to me one-on-one so that you never feel stuck playing gospel guitar again. You can grab that course below. I'll have a link in the description. The third and final lick is based, once again, on this shape. We're going to just play that top note, and we're going to walk down a scale that looks like this. And then we're going to do this little nice double stop. So let's review those 3 licks. And you can use them in context by copying and pasting and gluing them together. So if the beat goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The idea is you want to get it under your fingers. You want it to be clean. So you can even practice them at a slower tempo so you can get them under your fingers. So and the idea is that you can play them in any order you want, especially if you are singing a song or you want to just add a quick little guitar fill. These are absolutely crucial. You'll find that they're not only prominent in gospel guitar, but a lot of blues, like B.B. King, like John Mayer, all the way to gospel guitar players like Isaiah Sharkey, like Jonathan DuBose Jr. will use stuff like this. So it's really about understanding how you can use it in any context. In this context, we're using it in the key of G, but now I want to share with you how you can move these licks all up and down the neck. So say we're in the key of A. Okay? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to repeat everything, And you're going to anchor all your knowledge to that A bar chord. And then you can play that first lick. Right? It's just based off of that A chord. The next little lick, that's the second lick. And then the third and final lick would look and sound like this. Look it, it's all based on that A chord. So you're gonna wanna use these licks all up and down the neck. If you're in a different key of C, notice everything is based off of that C chord. Once you visualize and anchor all the knowledge you have to something you already know, it's going to be 10 times easier for you to remember it. So it's not like you're learning a new thing. It's like you're hacking your brain so that you can understand these concepts in a way that makes sense to you. If you want to dive deeper into gospel guitar, there is a link in the description where you can check out a deep dive on the gospel scales, the chords, the licks, and everything you'd need to know to learn how to play gospel guitar. You can grab the course down below in the description. And now that you understand some fundamentals about gospel guitar and some nice fills that you can play, you're going to want to check out this video so that you can skyrocket your guitar playing.